Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm out here at Bartram Ranch. This community is being developed by Toll Brothers and is located in the city of St. Johns in St. Johns County. We're gonna take a ride in there, but just wanted to kind of shift the camera over here, and I'm on Greenbrier, and over here to my left, this road will lead you to the 13. The 13, you'll be able to go to the area of Mandarin in Jacksonville, where you're going to find a lot of shops, restaurants, and stores. And then over here to the right, it'll take you to the 210, where you can take the 9B, and that'll take you to the 295, the 95. And then you'll have some small commercial sites sprinkled throughout the neighborhoods as well. Let's go ahead and take a look. Bartram Ranch will have about 365 home sites. This community does not have a CDD. The yearly HOA is about $1,223, and it is paid quarterly to the HOA. Now, this community does have amenities, as we can see over here to the right. The amenities include a clubhouse, pool. You'll have a fitness center as well. Here I am behind the amenity center. As you can see, there's a playground as well. And we're gonna ride back here to take a look at the pool. You can see the zero entrance pool. Looks like part of it is a lap pool as well. So you have a clubhouse, pool, fitness center, and then to the left over here, there is the open field. And then you have a dog park as well. All right, so those were the amenities. And over here to the left, we have the model homes. I did film these model homes, so be sure to check out the videos. When you call me, I'll set up an appointment, and then we'll meet the site agent there. Now remember, I do not work for Toll Brothers, but I can represent you throughout your build and the purchase of your home. Now here at Bartram Ranch, you can build from scratch, or you can purchase a quick move-in house. So build time right now is about 14 months. If you build from scratch, give or take 30 days. All right, so the typical lot size here at Bartram Ranch is 83 wide and about 130 feet deep. All right, floor plans here offer 3 to 6 bedrooms, 3 to 5.5 baths, and home size ranges about 2,400 square feet to about 4,500 plus square feet. And then homes here will have between 2 and 3 car garages. So as you can see here, we have homes that have been purchased and also quick move-in homes, like this one over here. This is home site 175, and it is it's available a quick move-in. They're putting on the siding there. And then here you'll have opportunity to back up to preserve. If you don't like preserve, you can back up to another home. So we'll take a look over here. And then you'll have opportunity as well to back up to water, if you'd like a water view. So there's still lots going on here at Bartram Ranch if you're interested. And we're gonna take a look. There are 2 phases left, and one of the phases is located towards the back here. So there's still plenty of opportunity here at Bartram Ranch. And if you'd like more information, of course, you can reach out. Feel free to shoot me a text, an email, or give me a call. All right, so later in this year, there's gonna be a new phase. Now, there's 2 more phases left, and this phase will be gated. Now, there's no pricing or anything available. It is expected to be available towards the end of 2023. So if you'd like more information or would like me to keep you posted, feel free to reach out. All right, so that was a quick overview of Bartram Ranch here in St. Johns County. If you'd like to know more, of course, feel free to reach out, shoot me a text, an email, or give me a call. I hope you enjoyed the video.